Okay, because I don't know if this is gonna fit. Like, that's not gonna work that way. I don't think so. Okay, let's just put the back seats down. That'll fit a lot better. So here's our setup. We're able to fit the whole mattress in here. It like barely fits though, and you gotta kind of squeeze it in there. See, it's like barely squished in there, but we can still fit all our stuff in, and there's still plenty of room in the back seat here. I think traveling with any more than 2 people with this would probably be pretty tough if you've got more than 2 people's things, but this is working out pretty well so far. What's going on, everybody? We're back here with another road trip video. We're here at the Mount Gilead Supercharger on our way up to Cleveland, visiting my friend Brandon. He's gonna be letting me stay at his house, actually not in his actual house, but in his driveway. I got this giant mattress and some other stuff for sleeping in my car from ForMyTesla.com and figured I'd check it out when I'm going to visit my friend Brandon. So hope you enjoy our trip up there, and we'll check back in when we get to his house. Brandon, what's going on, man?
Oh, are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh!
Brandon,
Oh,
what's
hey,
going
Alex.
on?
How's it going?
Not too bad. So tell me about where I'm going to be staying tonight and your charger and all that stuff.
Yeah, absolutely. So over here, we have our Siemens VersaCharge Level 2 charger that I charge my Chevy Bolt EV off of. Now this thing will charge your car in 0 to about 100% overnight, so it works really, really well. And the great thing, since you're visiting, I have a surprise for you. Do you want to see where you're staying?
Yeah, let's see it.
Right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, nice and open wide, driveway, you know, open air.
Yeah, I think this will be enough room for me.
I think it'll be very comfortable.
Alrighty, let's get my bed set up. Alrighty, so got the mattress in here. I'm gonna be getting this set up, get my sheets on, and get all ready to sleep.
Put you in the trunk.
That's right. Talked about it a little bit on the drive up here, but this is from For My Tesla, same company that sent me out these floor mats. So they've been very good to me. We got this massive mattress, which is just absolutely huge. So this is gonna be basically sliding in to where I'm gonna be sleeping. So the only thing I'm trying to figure out is how I want this to sit in there, because one of these is gonna have a crease, and I think I want the crease like near my legs, and my legs are gonna be on this side. So I think I'm gonna flip this around actually. Look at that, like a glove. Okay, it doesn't fit all the way, because I've got to move the, I think I got to move the seats up a little bit to actually fit in there. Okay. Almost. Okay, I think they got to be basically the whole way up. Okay, now we're in. Time for the sheets. Yes, not too shabby. I'll go all the way up. Look at that. That's honestly not bad. Okay, give you a little tour here. Got the nice comforter here. I actually got a ton of room in here, honestly. So my head will be up here, and then legs will be just kind of stretched underneath there. Only issue I'm seeing so far is that these seats have to be basically the whole way up to make room for the mattress. But not too bad, honestly. Alrighty. Well, we're all good. Okay. Ooh. This is honestly nice. This feels pretty comfy, honestly. Like, this mattress is very soft. Like, it's one of those memory foam ones. So I am a little tall though, so my knees are gonna hit this if I like twist over at all, but I usually sleep on my side kind of like this, and that'll be wonderful. You want to shut the trunk, see if I like fit in here okay? All right. I'm good. My legs didn't fall off. All right, good night. All right, so one thing I want to try is if we do want to like drive the car, because right now let me put my shoes on actually. If we actually want to drive the car, we're gonna have to move the mattress because the seats are moved like all the way forward right now. So one thing I want to try to do is see if we can like fold this up and then slide the mattress back a little bit and then kind of push it underneath there. Yeah, so now you can see out of the back and also move your seats like to the right position. Now we'll be able to adjust them. So what do you think? I think that looks a lot better. So only downfall of the Tesla chargers is you need that adapter to to use most wall connectors.
Still pretty nice.
It is, yeah.
Do I have to hit the tail light?
No, don't do that. We don't do that on this channel.
That's right.
There we go.
Okay. You hear a click?
I heard a click on your end.
And it should be charging.
Green. There you go.
Nice. Yep. Sadly, my Chevy Bolt does not show that, so happy to see that.
Now you know.
Well, Alex, I will say, if you enjoyed the visit, make sure you give me a good rating on Yelp.
Okay. We'll do it. Brandon's bed and breakfast.
Yep. Free charging.
Okay, so I'm here at Brandon's house, about to head out to the car for the night, and of course, it just started pouring rain out, so I'm venturing out in the rain to my car now. Okay, so I actually hopped in the passenger side here because I need to set some things up, so I'll get this guy set up first. Alright, so back here, I'm going to adjust the seat now. Alright, so I'm back in here. So now I need to turn on camp mode, but unfortunately the screen had turned black at this point. Oh, okay, so I just had to put my my foot on there. Okay, so let's change that to camp mode. And we'll leave our AC on 68. So we got camp mode is on, you can see on the touchscreen right there. So basically what camp mode does is it allows you to camp in your car. So it maintains the HVAC running, it keeps the temperature at whatever you set it at. You can also turn on the lights, play music, power your devices, all that kind of stuff while you're sleeping in your car. Okay, so the car is on camp mode now. You can probably hear some rain coming in. It is getting pretty rainy. I do have some AC coming out now though, so that's nice. Keep it pretty comfortable in here. First thing I'm noticing is how hard it is to get around the car while it's closed. So I think if you are going to be camping out and it is raining, that's going to be a little tough if you got more than one person in here, especially in a Model 3, which is the smallest car that Tesla makes. So honestly though, I fit in here pretty well. Like I can extend basically the whole way and my feet are about at the trunk, but I mean, my head just about fits. So I'm about 6'4", obviously a little bit of a larger human, and I fit in here pretty well, honestly. So still a little bit of a tight fit, but definitely not undoable. So okay, so you probably can't see much because it's pretty dark, but got my comforter all out. As you can see, my head kind of ends basically like at the edge of the mattress, so I've got a little bit of room, not a ton, but definitely enough for me. I'm gonna see if I can maybe watch some Netflix to help me fall asleep a little bit better, and we'll see how the night goes. I'll check in with my phone if anything goes weird or I wake up for any reason. It is raining, which is kind of relaxing, honestly. I really like the rain when I'm sleeping, so we'll check in later. Talk to you then. Oh, okay. It is the morning now. It's about 7:15. This is much earlier than I normally wake up on weekends, but it's been really nice, honestly, because the sun kind of woke me up, so much better than an alarm. Slept through the night very well, actually. This mattress is really comfortable. This is like a 6-inch foam mattress, and that definitely got the job done. Another thing I figured out is you got like a little shelf up here if you're sleeping this way, where you can put all of your stuff. So that's pretty nice. I think my only gripe so far is that the whole car kind of slopes down a little bit, so I was slowly like sliding towards the trunk all night, so I had to constantly kind of readjust and pull myself back up. And I'm not sure if there's any way I can maybe put something underneath the trunk to kind of lift my legs up a little bit more so that doesn't happen. Camp mode worked wonderfully. It is still on, and it's got the black screen you can kind of see behind me, so it's not bright or anything during the night. Car is actually pretty comfortable, honestly. It's a good temperature in here. Didn't get too cold or too warm. I left it around 68 all night, and that did great. Hasn't like fogged up or anything in here like I know tents and stuff do sometimes. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed. Got a pretty good night's sleep, and I think we're gonna go in and have some breakfast. Well, freaking birds. Well, we did it. Successful night in the Tesla. And we stay plugged in and charged the entire night. I'm at 90% right now, so we're all good. Seriously, it was pretty comfortable in there. I think the hardest thing was just getting all of my stuff set up in the night. When I first like hopped in there, getting in and out and just moving around the car is pretty difficult, especially for somebody my size, because I'm like 6'4" and take up a lot of room in the car already when I'm just sitting in it. So that was really the only bad thing. Also, this mattress takes up just a ton of room when you're traveling too. Like I said, this is the 6-inch mattress, so it is kind of large and just takes up a lot of room. They do sell a 4-inch mattress if you want something a little bit lighter. If you are going to be camping in a Tesla a lot, it's probably better to go with the Model Y. It's got a lot more room in there, and you've got a little bit more headspace. That was the other thing, is where my feet kind of go, like in this little area. This is very shallow, and if I turn sideways, my hip and my knee sometimes hit this. So another thing to keep in mind. But overall, I was impressed. Woke up pretty rested. That's always good. Thank you again to Brandon for letting me crash in his driveway, use his charger and everything. We'll probably go meet up with him now, and I'll let him plug his channel. Morning, Brandon.
Oh. Hey, good morning,
Appreciate
Alex.
you letting me sleep in your driveway.
Yeah. Did you have a good time out here?
Yeah, it was good. It was good.
Good.
Appreciate you letting me use the charger too. I'm up to 90%. Did fine all night. So
Nice.
make sure you check out Brandon's channel. You want to plug it real quick?
Yeah, it's Everyday EV on YouTube.
Yep. Brandon's got some good stuff with his bolts sitting over here. So lots of fun, exciting content with that. So make sure you check him out. I'll have the For My Tesla website and all that linked in my description below if you want to check out this mattress and the sheets and basically everything that came with it. Thank you so much for watching, and we're going to head home now. See ya.